And beautiful day for a brew here in the coastal bend, Tom.
Yeah, but of course it's Texas, so you may have to wait until noon to get
Yes,
that
this is true.
craft brew. But boy, it's going to be a beautiful day. Let's take a live look outside, waiting for that sun to come up. You can see the wind is definitely tapered off. The bay is mostly smooth out there, looking at the Harbor Bridge and the Lady Lex, but it's a chilly start. We had that very strong cold front that rolled through our area, but boy, did it cause problems in Arkansas. Tornado ripped through there yesterday, injuring 4 people and leaving behind a lot of damage. This was the scene after the tornado touched down in the area. The twister toppled trees, tossed cars, and knocked out power. That same storm system now taking aim a little bit further to the east. Right now for us, 45 degrees under mostly clear skies. The winds are out of the north-northwest at about 6 miles per hour. Most of our temperatures this morning well below average. 45 in Beeville, 42 degrees right now in George West, 44 in Orange Grove. Rockport is coming in at 48 degrees. Now most of our temperatures this morning about 15 to 20 degrees below or cooler than we saw yesterday at this time. About 17 degrees cooler in Kingsville, about 15 degrees cooler in Orange Grove, about 11 up in Beeville. Now yesterday wasn't a bad afternoon. In the morning we had the very strong winds with that front. They were blowing anywhere between 50 and 60 miles per hour, and then in the afternoon those winds kind of continued, not at that same level. But today the winds are not going to be a huge issue, only about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and hardly a cloud in the sky out there. The combination radar satellite imagery showing clear skies across much of South Texas, but high pressure is in control. That means we're going to see great Sunday conditions, low humidity, blue skies, and temperatures in the 70s. Definitely hard to beat that. But here is that frontal boundary, and this trigger is triggering some pretty good showers and thunderstorms now across this part of the country. So we're seeing big thunderstorms, South Carolina, North Carolina, as well as Virginia. Now this storm system impacting much of the eastern half of the nation. It's the big thunderstorms here and potential for a little severe weather across the panhandle area of Florida. Now that line moving off to the east, also just south of Atlanta. But as it runs into that colder air, that's where we're going to see the potential for some freezing rain and blizzard-like conditions. Winter definitely not done for the folks across parts of the upper Midwest where the snow is coming down. Another big storm system. It's been very wet across parts of Washington State, Oregon, and northern California. But this very chilly air mass in place across the central United States. Bismarck 17 degrees at this hour, about 14 degrees in Pierre. Ahead of that front, temperatures still pretty warm in the 60s and 70s. Here's a look at our forecast for today. Mostly sunny and nice. Look for a high temperature 78 degrees for tonight. Looking for mostly clear, mild. It's not going to be quite as chilly, but temperatures dropping down to about 57 degrees. Now this is what we can expect for the work week ahead. Monday, very, very nice, 81 degrees. We're going to be in the low 80s pretty much all week long, and the overnight lows also warming up. We'll see some breezy conditions. Now we're going to see increasing moisture as we move into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That means the humidity is going to come back. We'll see a slight chance of isolated showers on Friday with a better chance of some showers on Saturday. We're going to have more news coming up. Stay with us.